Closing arguments heard today in Donald Trump's civil fraud trial.
Former president delivered his remarks in his own defense. CBS 2's Alice Gaynor was there in the courtroom, and she joins us from Lower Manhattan. Alice.
That's right. The former president and his son, Eric Trump, were both in the courtroom today for closing arguments, but they only were here for the defenses. They did not stick around for the prosecution. Before they left, though, Mr. Trump was allowed to briefly address the court. The former president was granted a few minutes to address the judge as long as he kept his comments to the laws and facts. Mr. Trump said, "I'm an innocent man." He then went in on New York Attorney General Tish James and even accused the judge of having his own agenda, to which Judge Arthur Engoron told attorneys to control your client. Trump repeated much of what he said to the cameras in the courthouse hallway.
And they should pay me damages.
During closing arguments, defense attorneys told the judge this entire case is a manufactured claim to pursue a political agenda. They argue Trump's net worth, listed on the Statements of Financial Condition, or SOFCs, is lower than his actual net worth due to his brand value not being included on them. The New York Attorney General's office argued Mr. Trump exaggerated his wealth by billions of dollars on SOFCs by inflating property values in order to get more favorable loan and insurance terms, like his Trump Tower triplex, which was incorrectly listed as nearly 3 times its size. Of the defendant responsible, a defense attorney said, "We're human beings. He did his best. He didn't intend to hurt the state of New York." Prosecutors say the SOFCs from 2011 to 2021 were false by more than $1 billion, and that without the low interest rate savings, he would have been below the liquidity threshold for one of the banks, arguing cash had become an issue in 2016. Before the bench trial, the judge ruled they committed fraud. He will now decide other allegations like falsification of business records, conspiracy, and insurance fraud, and will decide any penalties. There are 5 defendants in the case: the former president, his eldest sons Eric and Donald Trump Jr., former Trump Organization CFO Allen Weisselberg, and former controller Jeffrey McConney. New York Attorney General Letitia James is seeking more than $370 million, up from the pretrial figure of $250 million, and wants him barred from doing business in New York. One defense attorney likened it to the death penalty against them professionally. Again, there is no jury in this case. The judge indicated he'll have his decision in writing by the end of the month. All defendants say they did nothing wrong. We are live outside of the courthouse in Lower Manhattan. Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.
Alice, thank you.